Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make an igloo that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 16 by 16 plate for the base of our igloo. You can use any size you wish. Right in the top center, we're going to start with a 1 by 8 flat tile, and right below that, off to the left, we're going to place a 1 by 2 flat tile and another 1 by 8 flat tile right there. Then right in here, place a pair of 2 by 2 outside 45-degree slopes. Then on both left and right hand sides, a set of 1 by 8 flat tiles, and right in the center of those, on the outside, a pair of 1 by 4 flat tiles. This is going to be used to set our walls down. We don't want a draft blowing through there. And then we're going to continue with another pair of 2 by 2 outside 45-degree slopes. Okay, right in these areas, a set of 1 by 2 flat tiles. Then we're going to go perpendicular with another set of 1 by 2 flat tiles. We've got to fix that cold draft that's going to blow under there when we put our walls up. And then these two corners, a set of 1 by 2 flat tiles to complete the base. For our side wall panels, start with a 6 by 6 plate. We're going to flip this over in the top center, a 2 by 4 plate, followed by a set of 2 by 6 plates along the sides. Okay, we're going to flip that back over. Just note the orientation. We got this notch here at the bottom in the top center, 1 by 2 plate, then a 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 plates. And along these sides right here, a pair of 2 by 4 plates. Right here, 2 by 2 plate. Then we're going to fill in this area with a 2 by 4 and 1 by 4 plates. And to give it a bit more contour, a 2 by 4 plate right here to lock all these joints together. Now we're going to make 3 of these. For side supports, we're going to start with a 1 by 1 brick with 2 adjacent studs. I'm going to place a set of 1 by 1 plates right on top, and another one of these 1 by 1 bricks with the 2 adjacent studs, 2 more 1 by 1 plates, and you guessed it, a 1 by 1 brick with the 2 adjacent studs. Now, I want to make 4 of these columns. Make sure everything is mushed down firm. Make sure everything's lined up. You may have to rotate this around several times to get all your 1 by 1 plates to line up. Let's take one of our panels. I'm going to take 2 of my supports and place these to where the studs are facing outwards. And I want to do this on 2 of the sides that we have created. So I got another one right here. Do this one really quick. Set those right there. This is going to help lock in our sides. Just make 2 of those. Now let's take our 2 sides with the supports. We're going to place these on top of the outside corner 2 by 2 45-degree slopes. I want to rotate this over. This is going to be the back. I'm going to take our last 6 by 8 panel, place this right in here. For the entry point into our igloo, we're going to start with a 2 by 4 plate. I'm going to place a 2 by 6 plate right on the top where the 2 by 4 plate is in the center. Then we're going to slide in a pair of 2 by 6 plates and these 1 by 2 reveals. Then a set of 1 by 4 plates right here. This is going to frame up our entry door right in the top center. A 2 by 4 plate. Then I'm going to skip a set of studs on the top and set down a set of 1 by 2 plates, and to finish up this area, a pair of 1 by 3 plates. And back on the bottom, a pair of 1 by 2 plates and a set of 3x3 plates with bow. Place these right here. We're going to start building up the contour for entry point. And I'm going to flat tile this in. I'm going to start right here with a 2x2 flat tile with bow, 1x3 flat tiles on the bottom, and then right here a 1x2 flat tile and another 2x2 flat tile with bow to complete up this portion of the wall. Now let's set the side with the entry right onto these studs. This will form a nice box. Plus we have 8x8 studs of space inside. For the top, start with the 6x8 plate. We're going to flip this over. I'm going to take a 3x3 plate. I'm going to place it right here as shown where it's hanging over one stud on the back. Then I'm going to proceed on with a 2x3 plate and another 3x3 plate. Then we're just going to work around counterclockwise with another 2x3 and 3x3 plates. Set those there. Another 2x3, 3x3, and a 2x3 plate right here. This is going to be the bottom portion of our roof assembly. We're going to flip this back over. Then in these two areas right in the center, a pair of 1x6 plates. Perpendicular to our 1x6 plates, set of 2x4 plates right in the center. This is going to lock in our joints. Then I want to proceed on with a pair of 1x6 plates, 1x4 plates, and a set of 1x2 plates right here to finish up this contour. And perpendicular to those plates, a 2x6 plate right in the center. And I'm going to go around both sides of it with a set of 1x4 plates and two 1x2 plates right here. And to finish up the top of the Igloo, a 2x2 plate. Now we're going to set the top on the 4 studs right on top. I want to form up some sides for the entry point to our Igloo, so I'm going to take a 1x4 plate. I'm going to place a 1x4 brick right on top, followed by another 1x4 brick. I want to make 2 of these and place these right here. For the entry shaft into the Igloo, we're going to start with a 2x4 plate. We're going to flip this over. I'm going to take 8 2x3x2 brick with bow. We're going to place 4 on the left hand side and 4 on the right hand side. Now they do make a version of this that is a 1x6. If you have those, great. If not, you're going to have to do what I'm doing and just piece these together. Well, the other one's trying to hide from me, but there it is. That's essentially what we're building right there. Now let's set our arches right on top of the 1x4 bricks. You may have to wiggle and jiggle that in there a bit. Just press underneath, make sure everything is securely fastened. And if everything goes well, we shouldn't have a gap there. Looks pretty good for an Igloo.